Before we begin, let me tell you something important. By watching this video, you are not just learning English. You are building your character and shaping your future. This video will help you in three powerful ways. First, you will improve your English listening and speaking skills. Second, you will learn simple sentences you can use in your daily life. And third, you will develop a strong character and a powerful mindset that can change your life. So this is not just an English lesson. This is a life lesson. Welcome, everyone. I hope you are having a meaningful and successful day. In this video, you're going to learn a powerful truth about life. Your character becomes your destiny. Now let me ask you a simple question. Who are you when no one is watching? Not your name, not your job, not what others think about you, but your real self. That is your character. Your character is not something you build in one day. It is built slowly every single day through your actions, your habits, and your decisions. Every time you tell the truth, you build honesty. Every time you stay calm in a difficult situation, you build patience. Every time you work hard, even when you don't feel like it, you build discipline. And all these small actions come together to create your character. Now think about this. If you are honest, people trust you. If you are kind, people respect you. If you are disciplined, you achieve your goals. So your character slowly shapes your life. Now let's practice some English sentences together. Repeat after me. I build my character every day. I choose honesty. I stay disciplined. I become a better person. Very good. Many people want success. They want money, respect, and happiness. But they forget something very important. Success does not come first. Character comes first. If your character is strong, success will follow you. Let me give you a simple example. Imagine two people. One person is very talented but lazy and undisciplined. The other person is not very talented but hardworking, honest, and consistent. After some time, who will succeed? Of course, the second person, because character is stronger than talent. Now repeat this. My character is my strength. I improve every day. I do the right thing. Excellent. Let's go deeper. Your character is tested when life becomes difficult. Anyone can be good when everything is easy. But real character appears in hard times. When you fail, what do? Do you give up or do you try again? When someone is rude to you, do you react with anger or do you stay calm? These moments define your character, and your character defines your future. Now think about your daily habits. Do you use your time wisely? Do you keep your promises? Do you respect others? These small actions may seem simple, but they are building your destiny day by day. Now let's practice again. I respect others. I use my time wisely. I stay focused. I build a strong future. Very good. Remember this. Your future is not created by luck. It is created by your daily actions. If you improve yourself every day, your life will improve. If you make good choices every day, your future will become better. So don't wait for a big change. Start with small changes today. Speak honestly, act kindly, work hard, and slowly your life will transform. Now take a deep breath and repeat after me. I am responsible for my life. I build my destiny. I choose the right path. I will succeed. Excellent. At the end of this video, remember one powerful truth. Your character becomes your destiny. So build a strong character, stay consistent, and never stop improving yourself. Keep learning English, keep growing as a person, and keep moving forward. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next lesson.